Hey, James Wise from Holton Wise here. Today I have something totally unique. I have count them, two duplexes in Cleveland for less than $10,000. Let's dive in. Okay, that's right, I said it. Two duplexes for under $10,000. How is that even possible? Well, there's a few things you have to understand. These properties are in rough shape, okay? They're going to need rehab. Number two, the most important factor here is the neighborhood. Both of them are on the east side of Cleveland. The first one, 1003 Eddy Road. The second one, 3175 East 119th. Eddy Road, both units are 3 beds and 1 bath. 3175 East 119th, both suites are 2 beds and 1 bath. Now, as we talk about these investments, it's incredibly important that we talk about grading properties. As we delve into these two properties and we talk about this investment, I really want to go through some things with you. These properties can be awesome investments for some of you, but they can be terrible investments for others. Yeah, that's right. I'm over here making a video telling most of my viewers not to buy these properties. Why? Because I make money making you money. I want to be the most transparent broker possible. As an investor myself, I know the types of investors that these types of properties can work for, and those of you that it won't work for. And it doesn't serve my needs if I'm not serving your needs. If I'm selling you the wrong property, you're not buying another property. So I want to make sure I'm putting the right properties in the right hands. So with that said, we need to talk about asset class. So we are all on the same page. I wrote an article a few years ago. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Grading Cleveland Neighborhoods. I will put a link to that article below, but go ahead and just pop it into Google. It will pop up. It's incredibly important that you read through that article so you understand what I mean when I say an A-class asset versus a D or an F-class asset. So, assuming you have now read The Ultimate Guide and you and I are both on the same page, these properties are D and F class assets. I am not going to sugarcoat that for you. You need to know what you're getting yourself into. Can you make money on these properties? Yes, some of you can. Some of you can't. Let's talk about who shouldn't buy these properties. Number one, first-time investors. This is not a training wheel type property. This is not a property that a very first-time buyer needs to get, okay? What a first-time investor needs to buy is something in a C plus or B class asset, something that's already renovated, very minimal work, just something that's, just going to kind of chug along. This is more of an advanced property. There is a lot of positives, but some serious negatives, some serious risk, some huge potential downside, okay? Experienced investors who are local. I know a lot of you out there are in California. I don't often think properties in this low of an asset class work for you unless you have spent years buying properties and building up a ground team. To pay a company, a full-fledged company with a marketing budget, advertising budget, infrastructure like Holton Wise, to pay us to manage a property like this for you, it's usually cost prohibitive. You need to run your own company. If you are directly hiring your own handyman, you might have a shot at a property like this. But the real people that are going to make money on this are those local folks. The local and experienced folks, typically the folks who are involved in the trades, general contractors, electricians, plumbers, those types of people that know these neighborhoods, those people do very, very well. I mean, think about it. We can buy each of these assets for under $10,000. As far as the rents are concerned, the Eddy Road property, both of those units are 3 beds. You can get $650, probably $675 out of those units. So you're looking at $1,350, almost, close to $1,400 in rent. You could realistically probably push that close to $700 if you make it nice enough. As far as the East 119th property, those are 2-bed units. So I think you're closer to a $650. So, $1,300 in rent. That is a lot of rent. And the reason I think it's good for buyers, investors who are in the trades, is you can do the rehabs much cheaper and you could get in there and do them yourself. So if you're a general contractor, these are perfect. You could go in there and put these things back together for 15, 20 grand. So all in, 60 grand, you're getting almost $3,000 a month in rent. You cannot get that anywhere else. I just want you to know that, you know, $3,000 in rent for only 60 grand, you just have to know the pros and the cons that come along with that. You know, you have to know the pros and the cons that come along with investing in a D and an F-class neighborhood. You are going to do evictions. You are going to have property damage. You are going to have serious issues. Your tenants, you know, your regular screening criteria of no crime, 3 times rent, stable income, that's probably getting thrown out the window when you're investing in a neighborhood like this. But those local people, you know, general contractors, these make great properties to put your staff in. You know, you get a lot of, you know, guys that are employing their handymen, and they're putting them in properties just like this, you know, really allowing them to keep super control over their entire business. These properties work so well for those types of people. You know, us here at Holton Wise, we have a staff of over 60, and we have a lot of properties that our maintenance staff, you know, several members of our maintenance staff live in a lot of our properties. That way you've got, you know, eyes looking on the property, taking care of it. You know, you're giving them probably a discount on rent, or, you know, trading it for work. It's just a situation that works out very, very well. And when you can pick something up for this cheap, I mean, you really can't beat that. It's just, you know, I don't want somebody out there who's a first-time investor who's out in California who can't afford to buy a traditional $80,000 duplex. I don't want that person to think, oh, I can't afford an $80,000 duplex. Let me just buy this $10,000 one and I'll make money off of that, and then I'll get my $80,000 one. It probably won't work out that well for that person. That person may end up, you know, losing their money, or the asset will underperform. That person might not be ready to deal with evictions, or when you do evict somebody, maybe they steal your hot water tank on the way out. When you guys hear those stories, or we post those stories in the Tenants from Hell section of our YouTube page, these are the types of properties where those stories come from. It's just very important that you know that going into this. Let's talk numbers. Not only are we able to get, you know, $1,300, $1,400, almost $1,500 in rent, let's look at the fact you're buying these for so cheap. Your property taxes are so low. The Eddy Road property has property taxes under $200 a year. The 119th one, it's like $950. I'll put the exact numbers on the screen so you can see. But you can't get that. When you're buying an $80,000 duplex, you're paying, you know, almost $2,000, sometimes almost $3,000 if it's in one of the suburbs with the higher tax rate out here. You know, $200 an entire year for property taxes, you could literally buy this thing and sit on it for 12 months before you do anything. It's not going to cost you any money. I mean, think about it. $200 a year in taxes, I mean, what is that? That's under $20 a month, okay? Now, you are going to have some other ongoing costs. What you want to do is get an insurance policy. If you're thinking, I don't even need to worry about insurance. If the house burns down, it burns down. I'll just walk away from the money. Don't think like that, because you're not worried about the house burning down and losing your 10 grand. You know, this is a DNF class neighborhood. That comes with, you know, problems, riffraff, drug dealers, homeless people, drug addicts. These are the neighborhoods those people, you know, frequent. So you do not want your house, you don't want someone coming into your house, living there, dealing drugs out of it, something goes awry, somebody gets injured, dies, murdered. If any of that happens on your property, you're going to be liable. So what I recommend is having the Hogue Insurance Agency write you a simple liability policy. You can go as low as $300,000 a year in coverage, but that will protect you in case something like that happens. The bottom line here is the most important thing for you. So the Hogue Insurance Agency, they work with so many investors. They understand what you're looking for. They're not going to try to upsell you on all this additional building coverage. They know that you're only going to buy it for 10 grand. They just want to protect you in case somebody gets injured or died, because they're going to come right after you. They're going to sue you, so you want coverage in case that happens. If you'd like to buy these properties, there's going to be a link in the description below on how you can do so. Go ahead and click that. If you're an out-of-town investor, again, so long as you understand the risks, we can assist you. If you're a local investor, I'm sure you probably want to get inside of these properties. I have an entire staff. We have over 60 employees here at Holton Wise. We have realtors that can get you in. You can go through the property, do a complete line-by-line bid on what you're going to need to do to these properties. Again, I think these are perfect for local handymen, local contractors. Where else can you buy something for under $10,000 and you could have the potential to eventually generate close to $3,000 a month in rent. You're doing a lot of the work yourself. The properties are so cheap you can sit on it. That's who I think the right buyer is for these. If you're a buyer out there who bought one of these high-risk, high-reward properties and it didn't work out for you, go ahead, reach out to Holton Wise. We are the #1 seller of investment properties in the Cleveland market. We can sell everything from the very bare bottom, cheapest properties possible to brand new, turnkey, high-end assets and everything in between. This is what we do at Holton Wise. We sell investment property. Our buyer base is nationwide. We don't just sell to people who live in the Cleveland market. We sell to people in Texas, New York, California. We sell to people outside of the U.S. We have clients from as far away as Singapore. So we have the network, infrastructure, and knowledge to get these properties sold for top dollar and with minimal tenant interaction. We do not bother your tenants. So if you're looking to sell your property, but you're worried about the real estate company bothering the tenants, making it a negative experience, go ahead and reach out. I think you'll be surprised at how well we can present these assets to people without bothering those tenants. As someone with hundreds upon hundreds of rental properties myself, I understand how hard it is when the tenant is working against you and you're trying to sell a property. So that's not how it's going to go down with Holton Wise. As always, I'm James Wise. If you want to hear more about my story as a broker, investor, entrepreneur, my Instagram link is going to be somewhere on the screen here. Please follow me. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. We are pumping out content. So if you want to buy, you want to sell, even if you want to do it all yourself and you're in another market, if you're watching this video and you're in Chicago and you want to invest in real estate that has nothing to do with Holton Wise, subscribe anyway. We're giving out tips, tricks, advice, all of that. If you can do it on your own, that's awesome. But if you don't want to do it on your own, if you don't want to get dirty, if you don't want to deal with evictions yourself, I have the staff and the infrastructure in place to do that for you. Subscribe, pound the like button. As always, I'm James Wise, Holton Wise, real estate investing made easy. Wise who can get you in the... What?
No, you're good.
Oh, you made a face. 2 and 10s are good.
That was good.
So let's make sure you and I... That was backwards! That would have been dope! Right there. Got a burp. Blighted areas. These are, what you would call ghetto. I don't want to say ghetto like that.